Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel. By the way guys, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Catorza, your licensed real estate broker. We have a ready for occupancy units and few units left and ready for occupancy. So it's a townhouse unit located in Bilis North, a residential subdivision townhouse located in Nangka Street, Consolacion, Cebu, approximately 1 kilometer from National Highway. So that is the lot area and the floor area with 3 rooms with 2 common CR and 1 parking or carport. It has a playground and clubhouse and a basketball court. So that is the amenity area. So it is already tiled floors, finished with fitted cabinet kitchen. So this is the property. So again, the floor area is 50 square meters and the lot area is 78 square meters with balcony. So naa siya balcony. Makalantaw-lantaw ka sa tubangan guys. See? We are entering, no? That is one. Actually, there are around less than 10 or 10 units. Alexa model units. Mo man siya gitawag Alexa model unit. So, it's a middle unit, guys. So, master bedroom with balcony, bedroom, living area, dining area, kitchen, 2 common toilet and bath with service area and the carport. So mao na siya guys, akong gipananaw, no, the kitchen with fitted cabinet outside, no, sa gawas. That is the laundry area or the service area. There are 2 faucet. So ready na siya guys. It's ready. So the price is 5.2 million pesos. So 5,217,952 pesos. 5.2 million. So 15% down payment at 6 months for around 127,115.47 per month. Then the balance of 4.4 million is bank financing, 4,335,259.20. Mo na ang iyang balance, which is bank financing. So ang mahitabo guys, kung imo ni siyang ma-full payment ang down payment nga gitawag na down payment and equity are the same, ma-full payment mo na siya, then adto na dayon ta sa bangko. Pag nanay bank guarantee, meaning na approve na siya, that's the time nga maka-move in na ta. So first thing to do is to have a reservation fee. First is you have to visit the location, the site inspection. Then the second is kauyo na ka the requirements, kapasar ba jud ka sa requirements. So before you can visit, no, tagaan na lang kadaan sa mga requirements. So nindot kayo, no, that is the kuan guys, master's bedroom, no. So kining 178 units guys, wala gyud, puno na siya, pero naalay mga less than 10 or 10 units left. Pero gusto kag dako-dako na pay 1 unit, no, ato pala po ni confirm for a package price of 6,595,948. So 15% gihapon ang down payment, then the balance is bank financing. So same rang reservation is 20,000. So actually, the subdivision is located at the interior part of the Consolacion. So, going east, no? East na siya nga part. Then, Ang makasulod gyud dito guys, usually no, if you have a car no, kanang 1 kilometer di masano na layo kayo, pwede man sa nalakawon. But usually kuha gani tagbalay, possible na gyud tay sakyanan. We have already a car. So but atong mga helper, atong mga kauban sa panimalay kung walay sakyanan, pwede na tay motorcycle or kanang wala tay sakyanan, only tricycle. Pakyaw kag tricycle kay may biyahe dia. Pero I noticed that there are single motorcycle no, which we are called habal-habal. So naa diha guys, dapita. Nahagamay ra. So pwede ra gihapon. Imagine kanang 1 kilometer panington sa Taglakaw ana. Layo-layo ginoon po na. Pero lagi Consolacion kaning dapita is nearer to the factory asa ka nagtrabaho, mall, so much better gyud nga location pod. So depende na ni nato guys. Then to Mactan International Airport, maybe it's around 20 minutes drive ra gyud guys. So dili kay layo gihapon. Nya hisgot ta og kanang di ba siya bahaan or flooded area, actually na elevated ni siya nga lugar. Dili gyud siya not a flooding area. So nindot siya nga location. Dili siya bahaanan. So nindot sad. Although na interior lang gyud, pero exclusive man sad nga subdivision. There is a security. So meaning you have already a security personnel no. So I think there are 2 security guards. So kanang security guard di na libre ha, inyo nang gibayaran. It is paid by the homeowners association. So mana siya guys no. So that is the road no, going and back and forth no to the subdivision, which is the Belize North. So mana siya guys. Then for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So schedule lang ta. Pero guys, kung tanawa lang yun ninyo no, kung madala ba sa inyong budget o dili, kay lisod masay kayo kung muadto ta nya dili di madala. So sayang sa itong effort. So meaning if you are really interested, you have already seen the price, so maybe it depends upon no. So mao na guys no. Lastly, this is the entrance and exit of the the property. What gid lang agyanan pwede ta dire. Pero naman sa dito, doon man is napit sa City Mall or SM City. Paingon dito is nearer man po, more or less nasa mga 2 kilometers or less than 2 kilometers from SM City Mall. So nindot sad no. Again, for inquiries, just contact me. Don't hesitate to message me at my Facebook account, Ninyo Humawas 14. Thank you.